Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sonu the Booktuber. Today I am going to explain 10 important points about financial literacy according to Rich Dad from the book Rich Dad Poor Dad written by Robert Kiyosaki. Point number 1. We focus on the word literacy and not financial literacy. Point number 2. Illiteracy both in words and in numbers is the foundation of financial struggle. Point number 3. The educated dad stressed the importance of reading books, while the rich dad stressed the need to master financial literacy. Point number 4. A person can be highly educated, professionally successful, and financially illiterate. These people often work harder than they need to because they learn how to work hard but not how to have the money work hard for them. Point number 5. Financial struggle is often the result of people working all their lives for someone else. Point number 6. Most people fail to realize that in life it is not how much money you make, it is how much money you keep. Point number 7. The philosophy that a pay raise means you can buy a larger home or spend more is the foundation of today's debt ridden society. Point number 8. For most people, the reason they don't win financially is because the pain of losing money is far greater than the joy of being rich. Point number 9. More money seldom solves money problems. Intelligence solves problems. Point number 10. The poor and the middle class work for money. The rich have money work for them. Thus, if you want to be rich, you need to be financially literate. But what is financial literacy? Financial literacy refers to the ability to understand and apply different financial skills effectively, including personal finance management, budgeting, and savings. Financial literacy makes individual become self-sufficient so that financial stability can be accomplished. Thank you for watching. Please comment what would you like to see in my next video from the same book Rich Dad Poor Dad. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.